Good afternoon, guys. This is Dennis from DIY Man. Right now we are here in Robinson's Malolos, and we are going to try to renew my driver's license today. No? Nagkaroon tayo ng chance, and I'm going to try. Sabi nila mabilis daw dito sa Robinson's, so we will try it out. Tara, samahan niyo ako.
Ang renewal office ng LTO is located on the 4th floor of the Robinson's Place, Malolos, Bulacan. But before you proceed, you have to make sure you have finished the CDE course and you have passed the examination dun sa LTO portal before you proceed to the satellite office. Two classifications when it comes to our privilege to drive. A non-professional driver's license, which allows us to drive private and personal vehicles, and a professional driver's license where we are allowed to drive for monetary purposes. On my side, I have a non-pro to renew. In a latest announcement given by LTO, there's a new restriction system that's being implemented from my old restriction 1-2, where I'm allowed to drive private motorcycle and tricycle for restriction 1, then private 4-wheel vehicles naman for restriction 2. Now, it was changed into DL code A, A1, B, B1, B2, where A is allowing me to drive a motorcycle, A1 tricycle, B is for 4-wheel of up to 5,000 kilograms with 8 passengers, B1 up to 5,000 kilograms with 9 passengers or more, and B2 driving vehicles for goods of up to 3,500 kilograms of weight. When it comes to the category of clutch, automatic or AT means that license holder can only drive automatic vehicles, while sa manual or MT, it means that the license holder can drive manual, semi-automatic, and automatic vehicles.
Okay, first step tayo, guys. Kukuha muna tayo ng medical dito sa AGSA Medical Center sa 4th floor ng Robinson's Malolos bago tayo pumunta dun sa LTO para ipasa yung papers natin.
1 hour later.
Time check tayo, 2:21 in the afternoon. Right now, naipasok ko na yung papel sa window 1, evaluation, and iniintay ko na lang na tawagin ako for picture taking at verification for the address. Time check tayo, mga ka-session. It's 3:20 in the afternoon. 1 hour since nung pinasok yung papel doon sa evaluation. No? So, katatawag lang sa akin ngayon para magbayad. And then, waiting game again.
A few moments later.
Okay, time check tayo, guys, no? It's 4:08 in the afternoon and I got my driver's license. Valid siya after 3 hours from the medical to now. So, this is my experience here in Robinson's Malolos. So, depende po yan on every satellite station, no? So, guys, good luck on your renewal. I got 10 years.
Thank you for watching, guys, and hope to see you again. Just like, subscribe, and click that bell button. Plus, leave comment. See you.